Hi guys, as a part of chart trading masterclass, today I am coming with a new video where I'll show you 3 steps of price action trading. If you have been thinking that price action is one of the difficult thing to do, then in this video I'm going to show you 3-step process of price action trading. So after the video you will think that price action trading is as simple as counting 1 to 3. So watch the video till the end. Now the first thing, what is the price action trading? Price action trading is a process where you will trade without any indicators and purely based on price action. That means purely based on support and resistance, purely based on candlestick pattern, chart pattern, etc. So now let us start with the first step out of 3 steps price action. And first step is you have to identify the trend and identify the key level. And if you look at this chart, one thing you can see that this chart is in the uptrend, because you can see that there are consecutive higher lows. So when you see this kind of consecutive higher lows on your chart, that means that instrument is in the uptrend. So that is the first step. You have identify the trend, and next I said you have to identify the key levels. You can see that this is the place where there is a resistance, right? So you can see that prices are going to this level and making doji candles and coming down, and again price trying to go near to that level. So that is your key level. You will mark that important level as a resistance. So now you have finished the first step, that is the identifying trend and identifying key level. Now let us play the candlestick and let us see what happened. You can see that that level has been broken with a big green candle, right? So that means that resistance which was marked was broken and we have marked that level. Now what we'll do, we'll go to the second step. That second step is prepare. So what is that prepare mean? Prepare mean now we'll wait for the retracement back to this level. Now we'll wait for the retracement back to that green level. So now let us play the candlestick again and let us see whether price comes to that level or no. And you can see that price is going up. It has not come to our level, but still we are waiting for that price. Let us see whether price comes to that level or no. And you can see that price came to that level, and you can see that there was a huge green pin bar. So pin bar mean it's a bullish sign, right? So now what we'll do, we will enter on this candle by keeping the stop loss. So how we'll keep stop loss? We'll keep the stop loss below that candle, below that green level, which has a strong resistance earlier. And where is our take profit? Our take profit should be at least 1:2, right? So take profit 1:2 mean around this level. So this is the level is take profit for us. And let us play the candlestick and let us see whether price reaches that level or no. And you can see that finally price reached and gave us target of 1:2. So this is the 3-step price of price action. First we have identified the trend and key levels. Second, we have prepared ourselves by marking this strong level for waiting for the price action. And once price came and made a bullish pin bar, we have entered it, kept our stop loss, and we kept our profit target. And finally our profit target hit. So when price comes to this level, which is the key level, always we should wait for the price action. You can see that after the pin bar, it again made a pin bar and made a proper body candle. But you should always wait for the confirmation. Why you should wait for the confirmation? Because sometimes what can happen that instead of price going up, it can break this level and it can go down, right? So that is why it is important to wait for the price action to see whether it makes any bullish price action or it makes a bearish price action. If it makes a bullish price action, that means trend is still intact and one can go long by keeping the stop loss. And that is the first example. So let me give you another example which is slightly opposite of this price action. You can see that this chart also, you can see that this is making a strong uptrend, right? So it is making a strong uptrend with a higher lows, higher lows, higher lows. Where is the strong support? You can see that strong support is this level, right? Because that is what previous higher lows, that is what made. So what is the first step? I said identify the trend. We have identified the trend as a strong uptrend. Along with that, we have to mark the key level. We have marked the key level that this is a strong support. And next we have to prepare ourselves, right? That means when price comes back to this green level, again when it comes back to this green level, we have to see whether it makes a bullish price action, bearish price action, right? If it is making a bullish price action, that means trend is intact and we can go long. So now let us see, let us play the candlestick and let us see what's happening. And you can see that price is taking support and finally you can see that price has broken that level. So what it means? It means the structure is broken. What is the structure? Structure was a strong uptrend and this red candle has broken the previous higher lows, right? So you can see that there was a higher low, there was a higher low, there was a higher low. Now after this higher lows, is there any higher low? No, right? This is a lower low. That means the structure is broken here. There is no higher lows. If price started going up from here and it started going up here, that means it is made another higher low, another higher low, another higher low. But instead of making a higher low, it started making a lower low here. That is the indication that structure is breaking. So whether you are going long now, no, you are not going long now. Now you should look for a reversal of the trend. Now let us see, we have marked this green level and let us wait for the proper confirmation with a candlestick to take a short trade. So let us play the candlestick and you can see that this is a bearish candle. This candlestick pattern is called a bearish engulfing pattern. Why it's a bearish engulfing pattern? You can see that this red candle engulfs the entire 4 candles on the left. So what is the indication of this? This is the indication of selling pressure. So that means now you will go short here, and where you will keep the stop loss? We will keep the stop loss above that candle, above that green level, and we have, and our 1:2 risk reward mean once price comes to this level, that means that is where we will get 1:2 risk reward and we will close the trade. Let us play the candlestick and let us see whether price reach that level or no. And you can see that this candle has reached that level and went below it, and we got the 1:2 risk reward in this trade. So that is what, just a recap of whatever we discussed. First, identify the trend and key levels. Once we identify the trend, strong uptrend based on higher lows, then we'll mark a key level where it took the support earlier, and when price comes to that key level, if it took the support from there making a bullish price action, that means trend is intact and we'll go long. But if that key level is broken with a big bearish candle like this, that means structure is breaking, trend is breaking, then we'll look for a short trade once we see bearish candle or something like a bearish engulfing candle like this, and we'll keep the stop loss and we'll keep the profit target. So that is what I wanted to discuss, how easy learning price action just by following the 3-step process. So that's about today's video on 3-step process in price action trading. Let me know in the comment section, how did you find this video? If you want to learn more about price action, if you want to learn more about the strategies, then you can check my day trading webinar, that is 25 day trading strategy in Nifty Bank Nifty, which I conduct on weekends. If you are interested, you can contact me on WhatsApp or email. And that's it from my side. I'll see you soon with a new video. Until then, bye and take care.